Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to send money from Revolut to Binance. So make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because that actually helps me out. So to get started with the process on how to send money from Revolut to Binance, if you have a cryptocurrency in your Revolut account and you wish to transfer it to your Binance, follow these simple steps to get started with that. So the first thing to do is to open or obtain your Binance wallet address. So to obtain that, you have to log in your Binance account, then navigate to wallet, then click on fiat and spot. Then from there you have to click deposit and select the cryptocurrency you intend to transfer from your Revolut. Then choose the appropriate network and copy the provided deposit address. Make sure you copied or you choose the appropriate network. Choose the appropriate network and make sure the network you are going to choose on your Revolut will be as the same as that of Binance, so you won't lose your fund. Then choose the appropriate network and copy the provided deposit address. Then initiate the transfer from Revolut. Now open the Revolut app to go to the crypto section. Then from there tap send and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer to Binance. Then paste the address, paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier, or add it as a new recipient. Then from there you have to enter the amount to send and confirm the transaction details. After that, authorize the transfer, and that's how you can simply send money from Revolut to Binance. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.